tornado emergency for the Kansas City area. The National Weather Service in Kansas City has issued a tornado warning for Johnson County in western Missouri, Wyandotte County in eastern Kansas, and Leavenworth County in eastern Kansas until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located 2.5 miles west of the Kansas City city limits, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Kansas City and surrounding areas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: emergency management confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous tornado will be near downtown Kansas City, Kansas, Shawnee, Merriam, Bonner Springs, DeSoto, Parkville, Bazaar, Edwardsville, Lake Quivira, Linwood, Wolcott, Pomeroy, Holiday, Muncie, Beverly Hills, Maywood and Piper. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Do not wait to see or hear this tornado. Take cover now. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.